Hi guys, in this lesson we will learn how to set, reset and use indexes in pandas. Let's first create a new file and call it indexes. And now I will import our pandas library by typing the import pandas spd. Click shift enter. It will import our library. And now I will import what? Our dataset, which is located in this data folder. I will copy this file. I will put this file in the description below, don't worry. Okay, I will type in what? df equals to pd read csv. Inside of the quotes I will go one step back, slash data slash and the name of the file. Now I will print out the first 5 rows of this data here. You could see that it will print the first 5 rows. I can even print it in a simple way as Pandas suggests. I just demonstrate the ways of printing it out. Another way, by typing the n equals of 5, it will again print out the same result. And now, before covering the sort indexes or reset indexes methods, I will try to sort this data bit and work on that data. First, I will add in the variable and assign to this variable sort values method and sort 2 columns values from here. Default df sort values. Let's sort in the region and rate, right? And now I will try to sort them. Either one of them will be in a descending order, false, and another in ascending order. False corresponds to this region, while true to this rate. And now if I print this data out, we could see, or even add in the head here, we could see that it would print out the random indexes here because it has printed or sorted or columns values here. The rate is being sorted in ascending while the region in a descending order here. What is the problem? We could clearly see that we have already done our job. We have a new data, and the only thing that's going to be done here is just the sorting these indexes here from an ascending to the descending order. Let's first try to do it. But if I try to use sort it directly here, my data sort index, this is a sort index method which is going to sort these indexes here. If I just try to run this function or method, it would print out or sort the original data here, which has nothing with this data. Why? Because I haven't sorted it and haven't defined this newly created data to the variable here. But if I assign the variable equals to var equals to my data and sort this variable here, var, click shift enter, you could see that it will sort our data from 10 to 122. You could see after assigning the sorted values data frame to the variable here, the sort index works well. But if I again call this variable here, click shift enter, it would not sort these indexes in a proper way. Why? You could see that if it starts from 10, 32, it just sorts it in ascending order. This one is just the random numbers again, because we haven't defined the in place true parameter here. Let's try to add in the in place true. true here and run this one, you will see it will print out this without the problems. By default, Pandas has the in place false, but we have just changed the false to the true and made it permanent for here. And now you could see the index positions are random numbers, but we don't want them to be like printed out like this one starting from the 10, and we want to just reset all of them and start these index numbers from 0 and increment it by 1. In order to do that, we have a reset index method. What is the reset index method? Let's first create this method here and see it in practice. I will try to type in var and add it the reset index method here, and if I click shift enter, index like this one, from here we have resetted it. I mean, Pandas has given the new index positions automatically, but the former index numbers are being displayed here as the column here. But if I don't want to print out this index column here, I can remove them by adding the drop equals to true parameter and click shift enter, and you could see that it will print out our data in a clean way and have assigned these indexes automatically. I can even assign this data to my new data variable, and call it, after running, call it here without problems. Enter, you could see we have a new data frame here. We have now the original ready data with its indexes. Now it looks better, but these index positions are predefined by the Pandas itself. But what if I want to assign the index from the existing column in our data frame? In this case, we will have to do what? Use the set index method here. I want just to use this, for example, location column as the indexes here, or the year as indexes. In that way, we know that we could have strings alphabetically or numeric values as the index in the index position. So let's try to place the index position location column. I will copy this variable here and type in the set index method, and in here set methods I will type what column do I want to place as an index? This one, location. I will copy it, paste it here, and as a second parameter I will do what? I will assign this in place equals true. I will make this one to permanent here, and if I call this variable again, call this variable and run it, you could see that it has converted or defined this location column as the indexes here, while this region, subregion, all the other columns are just placed or stayed in the column format here, but location is being converted to the index here. Okay, I can even sort these values in a descending or ascending order. Although these values are string objects, we could again sort them. Let's sort them like this variable. Okay, and type in the sort index ascending equals to false. If I click shift enter, it will sort these values in a descending order. Just keep in mind that here I have used the sort index method because we are talking about these indexes here. But if we want to sort the columns, we will use what? Sort values method instead of the sort index. This one, sort values method. Again, we have already made it ready, or data. We could again reset it and set it again another column, or to reset it like this one. Just we will type in the variable here and type in the reset index, right? Index, click shift enter, it will again reset it. And if I want to set again after the in place true parameter equals to true, it will reset it. Okay, but if I want to set again another column, I can easily do this. You see it has resetted and bring back our original data to its position. And if I want to set the year as an index, I will just copy this line, and instead of the location I will add in the year as an index here and print out this variable. Run it, and year is being converted to the indexes here. And thank you for watching this video. I think that this video was really helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.